Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Yes!
Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to
special marine warning.
about 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, waters from Tarpon Springs to Swan River, Florida, 20 to 60 nautical miles. Producing water spouts were located along a line extending from 62 nautical miles west of Antelope Key to 65 nautical miles west of Indian Rocks Beach to 95 nautical miles west of Egmont Key, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in. Suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until another this weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
Yo, finally got KSP32 on that marine warning. Let's go. That sounded sick on that one. Yo, let's go.
Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swan River, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters.
Oh, Tampa Bay waters. KSP. Man. Well, you failed. Yeah, you're 40. You failed to activate. There we go.
Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Locations in Texas include Azella, Crystal River, Clearwater Beach, Spaceport, Madeira Beach Reef, Carlton Springs, Youngstown, Indian Rocks Beach, St. Eden, Treasure Island Reef, Hernando Beach.
Wait, it's a 90-minute marine warning?
Enclosed Key, Indian Shore Reef, St. Peter Beach Reef, Pascagoula Reef, Arapaca, Manatee 7-Mile North Reef, and Jones Pass. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
I knew it. Man, I wish you would have gone off, ER40. But you sucked on KSP32 reception, ER40. Alright, anyone want to talk about marine warning?
No.
Should tone it out.
Come on, it'd take 5 years again. Weird.
Here we go. Fire KSP32.
Severe thunderstorms capable of
Water spouts were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles
It's the same thing.
northwest of Anfield Key to 13 nautical miles west of Indian Rock.
moving at 680 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create sudden away. Not to all on both sides have to stay with you and down the wind gusts can
Dude, that's that was a pretty good marine warning right there. Well, WXK better get ready to be prepared for themselves because WXK better get ready for the next one. Because WXK is getting ready to blow up next.
Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters.
here, KSB.
Suddenly high waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location. Suddenly high waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expressions and gusts in excess of 30 knots. Suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Englewood, Longbow Key, Venice Inlet, M4 Reef, Spruce Bay, MG1 Reef, Siesta Key, M7 Reef.
Oh, there it is. There's a mesoscale. And of course, we just got a mesoscale discussion. It's only 20% wash probability, though. Dude, that is sick, dude. Oh my god. Oh my lord.
Nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, are 20 nautical miles until 1 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles north of Venice to 14 nautical miles west of Minnesota Key, moving east at 25 knots. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Minnesota Key, Englewood, Don Pedro Island, M15 Reef, Venice Inlet, and Venice. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The Fort Myers climate summary for coastal waters forecast.
Okay, there you go. Whew. Wild ride on this marginal.
Special marine warning for coastal waters from Choctawhatchee to
Early MFL.
about 20 nautical miles. Waters from Choctawhatchee to Bonita Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., a front capable of producing waterspouts was located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles south of Santa to 14 nautical miles north of R Tower to 25 nautical miles north of L Tower, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include R Tower, Bonita Shores, and Naples. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. From East Cape Sailor
seriously, MFL, give me a break.
Until 5 p.m. At 4 p.m., a front with embedded thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts was located along a line extending from 6
A front with embedded
west
thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts.
Content keys, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chokoloskee, Chevalier Bay, Big Lossman Bay, Shark Point, Cape Romano Aquatic Preserve, Northwest Cape Sable, Middle Cape Sable, Highland Point, and Whitewater Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Waterspouts can easily
I was just about to go make a hot water over there, but
immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National
then
Weather
Miami said,
You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Here is the
just had to do that to me, Miami. Just why?
coastal waters from East Cape Sable
Seriously, MFL, again.
20 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a front capable of producing waterspout was located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles northeast of Chevalier Bay to 8 nautical miles southwest of Middle Cape Sable, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chevalier Bay, Big Lossman Bay, Shark Point, Northwest Cape Sable, Middle Cape Sable, Highland Point, and Whitewater Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
It's